This is how intelligence is made. A new kind of factory. Generator of tokens. The building blocks of AI. Tokens have opened a new frontier, turning data into knowledge, reason, action. They reveal patterns in complexity we could never see. Mirror our cities to keep us safe. And lift us high above them. Tokens help robots learn from us. Work alongside us. They go where we cannot. Lending us helping hands. And closing the gap between hope and healing so that we breathe easier. And the smallest hearts beat stronger. Tokens are helping us break new ground on a scale never attempted. So we can reach
Star Cloud 1, separation confirmed.
To infinity and beyond. Together, we take the next great leap into a bright new future built for all mankind. And here in Taipei is where it all begins.